There's something very soothing about watching a machine create, clean, or crush everyday objects. Sometimes, you want to just sit back and mindlessly watch oranges and candles be squashed in slow-mo. Blending technology with some of the stuff you love can result in inventions that hit the tech sweet spot just right. Whether you're a foodie, art geek, or clean freak, there's a plethora of devices out there for your viewing satisfaction. Some of these are more fun to use and can even be bought and enjoyed at home too. Here's a look at 12 of the most satisfying inventions ever created. Number 12. Hydraulic press. Let's start with a classic, shall we? We humans seem to love watching objects be completely pulverized, and the hydraulic press is our best friend in this department. It can generate up to 1,000 tons of force directed into a small area, and they're used in many industries, but they're also the ideal tool for squashing random objects. They can crush hard objects into rubble, but the most satisfying use is when they squash softer things like fruits or candles. Fruits and vegetables are squeezed until they can't take it anymore, and they burst. Candles seem to flow out like a fountain, as though they're molten wax. The maximum viewing pleasure comes from watching these videos in slow motion. Number 11. Chocolate 3D printer. We've seen some pretty cool inventions so far, but here is some literal eye candy. There's nothing that can get one going like a satisfying dessert video, right? Well, there is. Meet the 3D chocolate printer. Yes, you heard that right. This cool device combines food and technology in the most beautiful, mouth-watering way. If you're into satisfying dessert videos and tech videos, then this is for you. This 3D printer is made with food-grade material, and as you can see, it can print the most impressive objects out of chocolate. Anything you can print with a regular 3D printer, this baby can churn out. But better, obviously. It's a soothing experience to watch layer upon layer of chocolate being added to create some pretty neat stuff. Number 10. Thunder Laser System Art. Wood carving is pretty satisfying, but what's even more fun is a machine made to carve wood with lasers. This super powerful laser creates literal works of art. You just have to program it with where you want it to go, and it does the rest for you. It can make any design you want, taking care of every intricate detail. It's not just used for wood either. It can work on sheet metal and even high-density fiberboard. It's true that the machine is kind of slow to watch in real life, but sped up videos are fun and relaxing to binge on. Number 9. NASA Tire Titanium Alloy. A flat tire can bum out the best of us, but imagine you're on a space mission on Mars and you blow a tire on your rover. That's why NASA has developed a new kind of tire that's immune to flats. It's made out of nickel and titanium alloy and doesn't puncture when it comes across rough terrain, but actually molds itself according to the shape of the terrain and keep going smoothly. The surface of the tire looks like chainmail, and it's incredibly soothing to watch it sink onto a jagged rock and just mold itself without any pressure, and almost glide over something that would surely have given a normal tire a run for its money. While it's pretty expensive right now, it can soon be more affordable, and we can have smooth rides too. Pretty neat, right? Number 8. SPEEDY Tea Machine. Nobody likes doing the laundry, and by the time you get to folding it, the job is tedious enough to put anyone to sleep. But the SPEEDY Tea Machine is here to change that. You just have to place your shirts on it with the sleeves dangling over the sides, and the machine almost fluidly folds it for you in 3 seconds. It's the size of a table, so it's very convenient to use. And it's so fast and efficient that you'll be mesmerized watching it fold heaps of t-shirts faster than you could even try. Number 7. Pressure washer. The art of restoring something to its former pristine glory and making it as good as new is deeply satisfying. And pressure washers are here to take that to the next level. Watch as they turn grime-covered surfaces into something clean, shiny, and almost unrecognizable simply with pressured water. Whether it's the patio floor, a dirt-covered roof, or a piece of furniture, pressure washers push all that dirt off them in the most satisfying way. They came with different nozzles for different needs. Narrow nozzles for high pressure to really get that gunk out, are wide nozzles for lighter stuff. You can either buy it for yourself and give your house a thorough clean, or just watch some soothing videos at home. Number 6. WAGNER AIRLESS Paint Spray. Here's a device that is as satisfying as it is handy. If you need to lay down a layer of paint on a wall or fence in a hurry, then say hello to the WAGNER AIRLESS Paint Spray. This device lays down paint surprisingly quickly and precisely. You don't have to keep going in with this one to achieve an even layer, since it does that in a single go. The AIRLESS technology lets the paint go through quicker and thicker, so that you achieve even layers of paint effortlessly. This device makes the tasks that takes hours into one that only takes seconds. You can take on a painting project of any scale with this. Whether you need to do your fence, or just one door, or even your whole house, this is all you'll need. It's great for both indoor and outdoor painting. The nozzle can be turned from a horizontal to vertical setting as per your convenience. Painting the house was never so quick and satisfying. Number 5. Smart Boxing Gloves. You don't always need to head to the gym to get in a good workout. With these smart boxing gloves, you can train in the comfort of your home. These smart gloves beat regular boxing gloves by a long shot. They come with real-time tracking that allows you to keep a track of how many estimated calories you burn while using them, alongside tracking every punch with its motion sensors. It can even tell straight jabs, hooks, and uppercuts apart. It gives you feedback so you can improve as you go along, and adapts to your personal style and routine. Optimize your punching style with the personal training plans and summaries that it provides. Let out all your rage and frustrations in your living room while keeping a close track of your progress. Number 4. All 7 Fan. If it gets too hot for you in the summer, then the All 7 is here to help. It's a hands-free portable fan. Keep your hands free to work and go about your day with ease. It's a lightweight, durable, and fall-proof device built to withstand a lot of abuse, so you can go about your workout with this easily. It's great for athletes, cooks, or anyone who wants to stay cool during a hot day. It comes with 3 wind speed modes, and there's no propeller you have to worry about getting your hair tangled. Leave this device on a flat surface or around your neck easily. It can rotate 180 degrees and doesn't have any distracting noise. You can even wear it under your clothes. The battery can last up to 6 hours and comes with USB charging. Number 3. ELIOS Flying Drone. This device takes drones to the next level. Unlike regular drones, it can tolerate collisions within its sturdy circular cage. This is a pretty useful device for exploring dangerous or compact areas that people and other kinds of drones can't access. It sends live digital HD feedback for its operator to see. But we think the best part about this device is watching it whirring around like it's a lightweight beach ball. Number 2. Road Printer. We've talked about 3D printed desserts, and the idea is delicious. But what about something bigger, grander, and possibly even more satisfying? The RPS Road Printer has put the days of laying down a road brick by brick behind us. It's 5 times faster than if you laid a road down manually. But just like the house printer, it doesn't put workers out of business. They're an essential part of its operation. Workers place the bricks one by one into a curved ramp on the road printer, and it swallows them up and lays them out flat on the ground perfectly. Watching a layer of brick laid out on a previously bumpy road like a giant sheet is a sight for sore eyes. Number 1. 3D printed houses. We've shown you a road printer, now get ready for a house printer. Meet Vulcan, the 3D house printer. This powerful machine can print a whole house in a day. It is mesmerizing to watch this machine print layers and layers of mortar till there's a whole house standing in front of you. But while these homes are massively satisfying to construct, what's even more satisfying is that the company that makes them plans to end global homelessness with this incredible invention. The housing charity called New Story aims to create each 650 square foot home within 24 hours, and at the cost of a mere $4,000 per house. Construction workers aren't totally out of the job with this investigation. They still need to assemble the basic wooden structure, and then Vulcan prints the mortar into the structure. After that, the doors, windows, electricity, etc. are installed manually until you have a house that you can move right into. New story plans to construct these homes in impoverished regions in El Salvador so that people living on only $200 a month can also afford safe and comfortable housing. This is the most doubtfully satisfying invention. Building homes from scratch, and that too to solve homelessness. Alright, let us know in the comments below which of these inventions satisfied you the most. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Tech Joint, and we'll see you in the next one.